Alright y'all, so we got a 2019 Honda Accord and we took all the center console and stuff out because we have to get to the radio tuner, which is below the screen, to find our high level output wires because we're going to be installing the audio control LC1i because we're adding an amplifier and a sub inside this vehicle. They do have an active noise canceling microphones and module inside of here, and if that thing is still hooked up, we're going to get bad feedback and interference coming through. Our sub is going to have like a woo 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 type of sound coming through it, and we don't want that. So the best thing to do is go ahead and unplug it from the module. And if you're wondering where that module is at, it is actually behind the glove box. So this right here is the vent that had to come out. Can't reach behind there and unplug it, so we're gonna have to drop the glove box and I'm gonna show you how to get to it. First thing we want to do is get behind this cover. We just drop that screw right there and that screw right there. Now we won't have any type of interference or feedback from the ANC mics because we was able to disconnect that module.